Hello. I will be unboxing my DJI Avata 2, the newly launched. Kakalabas lang niya parang last Tuesday. Ayan, try nating ipakita sa inyo yung laman mismo ng DJI Avata 2 pag binili nyo sa store. So I get it from the SM Annex. Yan, I get it from the Camera House. SM North Annex. And nakontak ko doon ay si RJ. Agent siya ng DJI doon sa Camera House. So let's look. Let's unbox this DJI Avata 2. So here is my DJI Avata 2. Here, yeah. So let's open this DJI Avata 2. Here. Here's the contact of RJ, and we have this warranty QR code for our DJI warranty QR here, and then we have a box. So here's the box. Automatically meron siyang box na ganito. So ayan yung laman niya. Yan, open. Put here the DJI. So let's open now the DJI Avata 2 casing. So ang ganda niya, meron siyang strap na mamahalin yung bag niya. So pag inopen siya ay like this. So let's open our DJI Avata 2 here. So here's inside of DJI, and then let's open the zipper muna. Ayan. So labas natin lahat ng gamit here. Ayan. So meron siyang extra propeller, 4 extra propeller here extra propellers, and then extra forehead. Ito yung sa goggles here, yung pagka maluwag yung goggles tree, dito siya ilalagay, pampasikip, tas adjustment here. Istura niya is goggles here, goggles, and then we have ala rings for the setting up para dito sa propeller. Ala rings, use of ala rings. And then, meron tayong Type-C charger. And then, the USB Type-C that can be connected to the drone, no, while using. Because yung DJI Avata 2, meron na siyang charging port na directly, kahit hindi mo natanggalin yung battery niya, pwede mo siyang i-charge direct. So ito yun, then i-connect yung USB and charger cable here. So next is the DJI manual. So ito yung parang identity ng ating DJI. Meron tong QR code na ito yung ating DJI, may serial to. And then dito na rin yung stickers, and then yung ating manual. Yan. So let's go now to the other one. So I bought the DJI yung 3 batteries na. So kasi ang fly minutes ng DJI is 23 minutes only. So here are the batteries, 2 batteries, then yung isa ay nandito sa DJI. So 1, 2, and 3. So 23 minutes flying. So 23 minutes, and 23 minutes, almost 1 hour ka makakapagpalipad pag tatlo battery mo. Yun. So here's the battery. And then meron tayong goggles, DJI goggles. Here's the DJI goggles. So DJI goggles here. So ayan, DJI goggles. So here is the DJI goggles. So ayan siya. DJI. Ayan. Goggles niya ay here and here. Sunuot siya ganito. Like this. Nice. Okay. And in the DJI, and yung adjustments niya. Adjustments on turn on charging port, and then yung adjustments and lens for the DJI. So lastly, our drone. Ito na yung drone. DJI drone. So meron siyang guard. Before using it, kailangan tatanggalin to, and after using, babalik natin yung guard for the lens. So here, meron na siyang protector, no, propeller protector, and then the battery is here, the other battery. So madali na siyang tanggalin. Yan, tapos balik. And then here is the charging port and the SD card nalalagyan. So this is the DJI Avata 2. So here is the remote, the joystick of our DJI 2. So here, yeah, DJI. So here are the complete set. So wala na siya naman. Ayan, no more. So that's my unboxing. So hopefully guys, maganda to. Parang pag gusto mo maging piloto, ito yung bilhin mo, yung frustrated pilot ka. Kasi makikita mo mismo, parang ikaw talaga yung nagdadrive ng pilot ng drone pala. Kasi pag sinuot mo to, kitang-kita mo kung ano yung nakikita niya sa taas. So ayun, maganda rin yung joystick. Sobrang dali. Sensor siya. Pagka konting galaw lang, ang galing, ang bilis ng ano niya, ng pag-sunod ng drone. So yun lang. And then hopefully guys, paandarin ko na siya. Pagpa-practice muna ako kasi hindi pa ako ganun kagaling. And for the price of DJI Avata 2, ayokong sabihin, but you can search it or Google it. Ayun. Ayun, maraming salamat. And thanks to DJI Avata 2. Kaka-launch lang nila talaga kahapon lang pala. No, sa Tagaytay, may DJI Avata 2 launching dun sa Tagaytay, and then we bought this. Actually sponsored. Ayun. Maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless. Peace out. All out. Yeah. DJI Avata 2 here. Thank you.